In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to manually set up a campaign in Ads Manager. Now that you've signed up for Ads Manager, you're ready to create a campaign from the dashboard. Start by clicking New Campaign. You can build your campaign with our AI assistant, Tara, using just a few simple prompts. For this tutorial, however, we'll select Manual Setup, which gives you more control through a comprehensive step-by-step flow. Start by giving your campaign a name, then select the category that best reflects your ad content. Advertising is selected by default. Choosing the correct category is important because it helps ensure your ads are delivered smoothly and your budget is spent as intended. Next, choose your budget setting. Ad Group Budget is our recommended and most commonly used option. It lets you assign specific budget to each targeting tactic within your campaign, giving you greater control and flexibility. With Campaign Budget, you set one total budget that all ad groups pull from, allowing the platform to optimize spend across them. You can also enable Daily Budget as part of ad group budgets to set an average daily budget for your ad groups. Keep in mind that if you select Campaign Budget or Daily Budget, that setting cannot be changed later. For this tutorial, we'll use Ad Group Budgets. Next, select your campaign objective. Your objective guides how the platform optimizes ad delivery and bidding and structures your reporting. There are 3 optimization paths that move from the top to the bottom of the funnel: awareness, consideration, and conversion. For this tutorial, our example client, Jenny's Tacos, wants to drive visits to a new store location. Choosing the right objective upfront is an important best practice. Changing your objective strategy mid-campaign resets the system's learning algorithm, which can impact performance. Next, select your media channel, which determines where your ads can appear across the digital ecosystem. Based on your selected objective, in this case, store visits, the platform organizes your options into recommended channels and other media channels. Recommended channels are generated using historical campaign data to help identify channels with strong potential for delivery and impact. During initial setup, you'll select one media channel. For this example, we'll choose mobile, and later I'll show you how to add additional channels with just one click. Now it's time to define your targeting, starting with geo-targeting. This is where your ad will run and is the only mandatory targeting parameter. Other targeting parameters, such as target by audience, by neighborhoods, or on-premise, can be layered on but are completely optional. Back to location targeting, you can toggle on nationwide or enter a specific target location. For this tutorial, we'll select Los Angeles, California, DMA. As you add targeting criteria, the forecasting sidebar updates in real time, estimating available market inventory and helping you monitor the health of your campaign setup. Before moving on to additional targeting options, you can choose to enable retargeting. When enabled, the platform automatically creates a secondary ad group designed to re-engage users who were exposed to your primary ad group. By default, the retargeting ad group has a 20% budget cap and begins 14 days after your original start date. It also inherits your location, objective, and bid price. You can always review and manually adjust these settings before activation. Next are your targeting methods. Remember, this step is optional. The only required targeting parameter is location, which we completed above by selecting Los Angeles, DMA. For this tutorial, we'll choose Target by Audience, which lets you pinpoint your ideal customer using predictive and past visit behaviors. Other options include Target by Neighborhoods, which reaches people similar to those associated with a specific store or location, and Target On-Premise, which reaches people at or near a location in real time. To select an audience, start typing in the search bar or open the audience catalog to browse the available options. We recommend starting with our predictive audiences powered by 0 to 1. Next step is placements. Your available options will adjust based on the media channel you selected. For our mobile campaign, we'll leave publisher categories untoggled and select Include Mobile Web to expand our potential reach. Note that other placements like CTV may include streaming networks and audio may include podcast genres. Now it's time to set your budget and schedule. Minimum bid prices vary by media type: $3.50 for mobile and desktop display banners, $8 for mobile and desktop video, $19 for audio, and $25 for CTV, OTT, and podcasts. Because we're creating a mobile display ad, we'll start with a $3.50 bid. For campaigns running less than 1 week, we recommend starting with an $8 bid. Next, enter the budget for this ad group, select your start and end dates, and click Save. The final step is measurement. Measurement is optional, but because we selected in-store visits as our objective, we'll use it to measure foot traffic to a defined physical location after someone has been exposed to an ad. This helps connect campaign exposure to real-world visits. I've already created a location group containing the single location to which I'm tracking visits, and we'll add it here. Once the primary setup is complete, the platform gives you the option to scale your strategy using our one-click multi-channel cloning option. For example, we can add another recommended channel, such as CTV, with just one click. If cloning is selected, the platform automatically carries over the location settings, audience selections, and flight dates inputted in this initial ad group. From there, simply update your budget strategy and make any other adjustments you'd like. To add your creatives, either click the Add Creatives option or return to the dashboard and click Manage Creatives to upload your creative assets. Back in the dashboard, click Manage Creatives to upload your creative assets. Here you'll see the creative formats available for your selected media channels along with their required specs. Note that you only need to upload one creative to get started, but the options shown represent the formats we suggest uploading for optimal performance. If you don't have creative assets ready, you can use the text banner builder to create mobile display ads, or use our Create with AI to generate a video ad. To add your creative, you'll need to either enter a website URL, where the ad will click to, or if you don't have a mobile-optimized web page, you can use our landing page creator, which also lets you track secondary actions. Once you've added your creatives, go back to the dashboard by clicking the Back to Campaign Dashboard button on the top right. Make sure you activate your ad groups and you're ready to go. Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.